Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Camera Pro Mode on the Realme 11 Pro. So to open the Pro Mode you have to go for the More modes, then select Pro Mode right here, and first of all I will simply recommend you to click on this information icon. It's located on the right upper corner of our preview, and in this option you can basically find description of every parameter. So if you don't know how to adjust the parameters and basically what they do, just go right here and take a look for this information. So right now let's simply start. We can start from the left side for the ISO level. That's how we can set it up manually with the slider, or simply automatically by tapping on this A button. Next we can go for the shutter speed. We can set shutter even for the 30 seconds. The next, it's the exposure compensation. And by the way, that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. As you can see, there is no this automatic adjustment. Here we can adjust the focus range. And the last option right here, it's the white balance. If you want to reset any of the parameters to the default, just click on this arrow. Next, when you tap right here, you can change the photo format. We can find two photo formats. We can enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. When you tap on the left upper corner, we can find the flashlight. And right here, we can basically change the aspect ratio. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.